What's up, guys? Today is Monday the 15th. It's currently about 11:40. I'm sorry that I've been MIA for a few days. I am behind on I think just one edit, but I did miss a couple of days because we had our baby. So I don't think I'm gonna miss many more days, but I might. So we'll see. It is Monday night. I'm just barely getting to doing some work. I think I already said what time it was, about 11:40. Got some business cards that I need to design, some postcards that I had Penji design, and need to do a slight modification and send that over to my customer for approval. And then I just need to go through all my emails and text messages and Facebook messages to make sure that I'm not missing anything. I do still have a few embroidery jobs that I could get done, along with some shirts for screen printing that I need to create some proofs for some and just finalize the orders for others. I almost have kind of an exclusivity at a local high school. So I have the junior committee, the sophomore committee, and the SBOs. So the only class that I'm missing, I have the freshmen, the sophomores, the juniors, and SBOs. So the only class I'm missing is the seniors. So I need to finalize all of their stuff so that it can be ready for when school starts in a month and a half. But I'd like to get it wrapped up now so that I can have it way ready and make some money, honestly. So I'm gonna go through. I'd like to, like I said, get to the high school stuff, but that's not as important as just making sure I'm caught up with everything else. So I'm gonna get onto that for a little bit and check back in with you. All right, so I got a bunch of design stuff kind of worked out, and I'm doing an install job quickly tomorrow, so I just thought I would go over the tools that I take with me to do an install job. First, glass cleaner. I like this spray away glass cleaner. It's a shake container, aerosol based, works really well and doesn't leave any residue. Then I use the cheapest paper towels available just because they typically don't have anything extra in them. So again, to not leave any residue. I use a level to make sure I have the design straight on the windows. This is going on a building, so a level is helpful. On cars, the level can sometimes get you in trouble because if it doesn't match body panels, then it can look funny sometimes. A squeegee, a razor blade, a tape measure, and then just tape. So the tape is to hold the design up before, measure to make sure the design is where you want it, and then I do a couple of different methods to install vinyl, but typically I'll peel half of it away, cut the backer off, and I like to cut it off instead of rip it so that it's a clean edge and doesn't cause problems with the install. I'll be doing the install tomorrow, so I will try to remember to take my tripod so you can watch how it happens. So hope that helps with the tools. I'll have links to everything down in the description. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. All right, guys, it's about 1:30 now. I've got to get up for BNI in the morning, so I'm gonna head to bed. I did want to kind of ask one question before I head to bed. I'm thinking about building a external building on our property to house my print business. As you can see here, I've got kind of a 13 by 13 shop or office that I run everything out of, and it's just getting too small. I do have my one-car garage right behind this wall that I could expand into, but my worry with that is that it will be too dusty. We actively use our two-car garage and just have some storage things in our one car, but I'm just worried that the opening and closing and the wind and dust and debris might cause problems with my machinery. So I'm thinking about building a shop in the back. Kind of what I'm looking at this point is a 24-foot by 36-foot building. It would have a garage door so that if I ever decide to sell the home, then it would increase the resale value for those that are looking for a place to store either their toys or have a shop themselves. So please let me know if that's something you're interested in me talking more about, or if you have any suggestions of whether you think I should just expand the garage for a little bit or build that shop. So again, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. I appreciate it. Thanks as always for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can follow along with my print shop journey.